everybody, how's it going? So today is one of those days that I really enjoy on the show, when that is I get to unbox a new solar guitar from my good buddy Ola England. I've known Ola since about 2005. We met on the Andy Sneap forum way back then, and you know, we've been buds ever since. And you know, I've got to see him grow his company over the years and take off. And he's made some extremely cool guitars available over the years. And you know, we've looked at the baritone, we've looked at the V, the Explorer type guitar, and today is the T model. Let's see what we got here. Let's just crack this open, see what happens. Ow! Always love getting my hand caught on the staples. That's no fun whatsoever. Ah! Okay, let's see what we got. And one more. Okay, here we go. And let's take a look, see what we get. Okay, that sucked. Let's fix that. I need to fix this fucking thing. Come on, you fucking piece of garbage. Get in there. Okay, moment of truth. Let's see what we get here. Just what I always wanted. Another box. Hooray. It's cool though. The reason I do unboxings is to see how the manufacturer is going to ship guitars. And of course, double boxing is definitely the key. Okay, so let's see if there's actually a guitar in here this time, instead of just teasing me with just another box. Let's see what we get. Okay, and there we go. Oh, I see wood grain. This might be cool. This might be really cool. So I gotta admit, I don't have a Fender T-type guitar, and I don't have anything else that even remotely resembles that. Honestly, though, one of the heavy guitars I ever recorded, though, was a Fender Telecaster with a Seymour Duncan hot rail put in it. And I did that on a punk record maybe about 10, 15 years ago. Really loved the sound of that. That thing just chugged like crazy. Will this be a worthy contemporary? Will this be a great 2021 version of the classic design? And as Ola tends to say from time to time, will it chug? Not only will it chug, the big question I wanted answered for me is, will it chug for normal people, normal everyday people, for those of us who aren't Swedish guitar gods? Let's see what we get. Oh, and there it is. Wow. That's a fucking beaut. Look at that. Okay, there is a... That's kind of different. I think I got to pry the the pickup switch out of that and take a look. But whoa, that's really cool. Actually, that's kind of neat. Actually, that's kind of the classic T-type shape, but with that headstock, it definitely gives it kind of a different dimension. Looks pretty cool. Looks to be a hip shot style bridge. Oh, and it's got a hot rail as well in the neck position. I'm really curious to hear how this bridge pickup sounds though. All in all, pretty decent heft. Let's see what the balance is like. Once I pry this out as well. Okay, just got to get the pickup switch cover back in place. Come on, you bastard, get in there. And we're good. Now, obviously, the pick guard has a little plastic on it, just to keep it from getting scratched up and whatnot. So let's peel the protecting plastic off here and see what we get. See how pretty this thing really is. Ooh, oh, it's a flat black. It's not a shiny black. Interesting. Let's see what we get here. Just pull that off. There we go. And, there it goes. All right. Plastics removed. This guitar is ready to go. Tell you what, awesomely in tune. Let's tune it up. Let's plug it in and see if it indeed does chug. All right, so we're out of the box. It's been a couple weeks. I've been thinking about how to do this video, and I'm like, I don't have a song for a full mix, and I'm like, well, screw it. I'd rather put a video out and just show you guys what I think about this guitar. I can always put this into a full mix a little bit down the road on perhaps something else I'm working on. But here's my impression after just a couple of weeks. This thing is absolutely freaking awesome. It's a lot heavier than I thought it was going to be, honestly. It sits pretty well. I mean, like, the great thing is it's got a carved back right here, so it's very comfy to play on, as opposed to a traditional Fender Tele. This is kind of Tele plus, a little bit of what you call a 21st century Tele. You've got the badass reverse headstock, but surprisingly, there's no locking tuners, which is kind of interesting because a lot of the Solars I've played have all come with locking tuners. I'm kind of surprised to not see those there. So I'm going to say, okay, not going to fault it for that too much. Maybe they're trying to stick with tradition. Who the hell knows? I think locking tuners could be an improvement there. That's maybe something I'd like to see in a future version of this guitar. But like I said, this thing's designed for comfort. And that's one thing I noticed with their big Explorer style guitar as well. There were cuts made on the body to make it work better sitting down. So we've got, let me see if I can get a close up here. We've got a rounded edge right here. So this fits on your arm very comfortably. And then on the back, of course, we've got it carved out here, which is really great. And of course, we've got a glue in neck joint. So this has really got easy access to the upper frets. Not a problem to get up here at all. It's even beveled out. They probably could have went to 29 here if they wanted, but I think we're okay with 24. Now we've got the Duncan design pickups here. We've got a humbucker and we've got a hot rail. And I got to say, one of my absolute favorite rhythm tones I ever got was, back in 2005, 2006, something like that, working with a local pop punk band. The guy came in with a Fender Tele with a hot rail in the bridge, though. I would have loved to see the hot rail in the bridge. I think that's just a wicked combination on this style of guitar, but you know what? It doesn't sound half bad. And I'm sure you guys are like, okay, just shut up and play already. All right, here we go. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, I gotta say, this is a lot of fun to play. Really impressed by just the setup on the guitar. Right out of the box, this thing plays like freaking butter. The action's just about perfection. So big thumbs up there. I've noticed on a number of guitars anyway, you'll have them for a little while, and then, the neck will kind of shrink a little bit and the frets will jump out. And I'm not seeing any issues here at all, so that's pretty cool. So the one thing I have to address here is a few people have been saying, they've been getting some Solar guitars, maybe with the neck wood cracked and complaining about that. And I'm like, okay, this is what happens in manufacturing. You can't get everything perfect out the line every single time. Take it from a guy who built minivans for 27 years. These things happen in manufacturing. It's just the way how the world works. The question I always come back to everybody is, okay, cool. What happened when you contacted them? Well, they gave me my money back. Okay, then, perfect. That's great. That means they step up and stand behind their product. So if you got a guitar and you weren't happy about it and you got your money back, that's how things are supposed to go. Just wanted to put that out there in case there was any confusion. So this particular model, I don't have any issues with at all. This is about as perfect as it gets. We've got a dead simple hip shot style bridge here. There's no push pull on any of the controls. This is meant to be a simple workhorse guitar, and I think it works out pretty damn well. I'm like tuning stability. I haven't really been able to knock it out. I probably could stand to put a fatter set of strings on here because I wouldn't mind taking this down to open C tuning. But as for now, I've got no issues with this whatsoever. yeah, that's all kinds of fun. Of course, we've got the secondary pickup to worry about as well. Yeah, that's really cool. That's got a very sweet tone. Yeah, that pickup just sings. That's really sweet. I am kind of curious how it would sound on a clean sound, although, yeah, I probably clean about 2% of the time here. Let's see what we get here. Yeah, okay, that's about as much clean playing as I feel comfortable with. Oh, who am I kidding? This guitar looks like it was made to be played while riding around on a freaking tractor. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I think I've got a whole bunch of classic rock fans. It's freaking, that's freaking blasphemy! You can't play that! Yeah, okay, sorry. There. It's okay. I'll stop. Seriously though, yeah, this definitely looks like something out of the 50s, but damn, this is a metal machine through and through. Yeah, this guitar is an awful lot of fun. All right, so I'm probably going to use this on an amp demo or a pedal demo or something else down the road. But bottom line, yeah, I think Solar Guitars has something really cool. So if you're in the market for a T-style guitar, but you want something maybe a little bit more metal than what your dad played or probably your grandpa played, yeah, check out this offering from Solar. It's pretty wicked. Gotta say, I even like the finish on this. I think they did a wonderful job on this, and I'm really looking forward to using this on many more videos to come in the future. Anyway, I'll have links for everything in the description below. You can check it out over at Solar Guitars. Tell them I said hi. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Still doing the 30 videos in 30 days and somehow haven't lost my sanity. Anyway, see you next time.